Now let's go ahead and create pages for our individual categories. And inside of the folder categories inside of pages, we'll create this special file called _slug.view. Inside of _slug.view, we'll create the template to return our category name, and then we'll also return a list of all the products that belong to this category. So inside of the template, we will return the category name as an H1, and then we will return the product list and pass in our products. Now we need to provide the category and products to the page. And we can do that by first importing the commerce instance from our common folder. And then inside of the export default, we then need to create the function async data. And inside of the async data function, we must return the category and products. Now, how do we get that category that we are currently viewing? Well, the async data has a special object, and that special object is the params object. And we can find out more about this on the Nuxt.js documentation. But essentially what we can do is we can destructure the slug from the params, and it knows it's called slug because we've named the file accordingly. So this _slug is what we have access to in the params object. Then it's simply making a call to Commerce.js and getting the specific category by slug. Now, if we have a look over on the Commerce.js documentation, we can see that to retrieve a category by slug, we need to call the retrieve function and then as a second argument pass in the type slug. And then to get all of our products, we will make a call to products.list and then passing in as an argument, we'll pass in the category slug inside of the object here. And finally, let's destructure data from that products request and we'll rename data to products. And then we must rename the categories.view file to be index.view and move that inside of the categories folder. And then over on localhost 3000, we'll see if we click on one of our categories, we have the category name and then all of the products that belong to that category.